Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add a clickable link in TikTok bio. To start the process, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Then, go to your profile. Here, tap on Edit Profile. After that, tap on Add a Bio. You can copy the link from its desired app. Here, I'm adding my Facebook link. Open your Facebook and tap on Menu on your bottom right. Tap on your profile. Here, tap on the three dots next to Edit Profile. Now copy the link to your profile. Tap on OK. Then go back to the TikTok application. Now paste the link which you have copied from Facebook. After that, tap on Save. Then go back to the profile. As you can see, your link has been added to your profile. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.